steady climb, city crime infested. 10 years, so divine, my blessings I injected.
Right,
Into
we're
my
taking a
lungs
lap on the
and spoke up things I
Sandusky
once
track.
thought was
Let's
silly
do it.
dreams. I walk you through the scene. Jump on a jet and it's charted. Star bad in the cycle. I don't even like her. She dead it. I cannot be bothered to call. Hope you see the light, darling. Oh yes. Running like 4 legs, them people fold. They don't want no run-ins like bow legs, slow. Jumped out the circus like Soleil, curving. My people got me, poppy, solid, sterling. Still resolved. Look at you like a cube of sugar in a pool of water that you will dissolve. Had so much to prove. Run away with us, so you got no way at all, no way out. Either way, it's all gon' play out. It's all gon' play out. I never seen this type of glow. Look at the seed I plan to grow. I think they need to add a feed, but it won't be the status quo. Plot twist, the plot twist. Let's talk about some progress and objectives. If you talking about less than came a long way. I'm a project. Baby, this a rolling out of Timex. She climbed me like an ibex and tied me. I came a long way. 2010, they try to end me. Glad to see them bullets off. Still here. You missed. 2020 Grammy nominated. Bet we going off. Admittedly, I know that don't make me, but it make the rest of you fonder. Keep them all arms late like a boy by CD Honda. Or Dawson, I'm flossing, I'm dripping, 2 commas. Trying to find a real, nothing in my viewfinder. Hey, you find her. Still resolved. Look at you like a cube of sugar in a pool of water that you will dissolve. Had so much to prove. Run away with us, so you got nowhere at all, no way out. Either way, it's all gon' play out. It's all gon' play out. Run away with us, so you got nowhere at all, no way out. Either way, it's all gon' play out. It's all gon' play out.
I think I heard some tips touching as they made that break to the American and Canadian flag in the center of the infield. Aviator hit the ball, will have it reset. Looking high side on that pretzel section. West FPV and Alien all through that section, and now looking into the backside of that interior infield kart racing over. Into the corkscrew, Alien's going to have the lead. Maybe no, it's West FPV as they hit that backstretch just near tenths of a second apart. Alien hitting that boost mode. West FPV looking like there's a boost mode involved as well. Just with that speed looking real good. here. We see Aviator in position going into the pretzel section. Now Aviator still holding down that third place as West and Alien sit in that middle section. Aviator closes the gap. West already in the corkscrew, getting spit back on out onto that asphalt backstretch, hitting the speed. Alien with a little bit more room now behind him. Looks like a couple seconds off pace from West, with Aviator closing the gap and possibly a second place. You see as he goes to the line here. West has got it out! Big position! That was Alien hitting the starter stand. In that dead heat with Aviator. Wow, Aviator and Alien racing so close, neck to neck, with a little bit of damage, and we lost Alien on our feed immediately.
Not even a midair, just smoked. Look, everybody's just standing.
Everybody at the fence here on the front stretch. Damage, but no caution flags here. West pulling on down.
Dangling
that. Line, it's going to be Speedybee first. He does a bumble, he goes down. Backstretch as well. Let's go West. Cheering him on for the YouTube stream. And West along that backstretch on the right-hand side of your screen. Activated. To the grandstand here to the checker flag. West. Battery recording. He's going to see the start picture. All off. Clean air, they're kind of a little bunched up right. It looks like we got Dapper or but I'm sure he's up there racing as hard as he can. Dapper going to the back section there. He's going to go to the short racing to the out gate. And he's going to engage that through. There it is. No, he doesn't have to go. That's great. Smaller by Drew Racer going way wide. That's MVP. You can see somebody right in this deep. Trying to reel. Maybe half the second back. See it right there, bottom left. Little squirrely. Gaps are already on the straight. It's good squirrely. Their hands up. There comes your leader. Holding that chicane. We have Dapper and a leader in the down. Going on their